Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get corrupt mutation and grow a garden. Okay guys, as we know that Grow Garden has just dropped Corrupt Update, and then in this update you will be able to get the Corrupt Mutation. And just like the Tranquil Mutation, if you want to get the corrupted fruit or corrupted plant, you just need to join the Zen event, and the event will be happen every 1 hour guys. Okay, and now the Zen event is coming and it'll give my fruit Corrupt Mutation. And every hour guys, it can be corrupt or it can be tranquil. And now the one that coming to my garden is corrupted mutation, and maybe the next Zen event we will get tranquil. And actually you can still get corrupted mutation when the tranquil mutation comes to your garden, but you need to grow a tree here. You can submit something that required, and then you will be able to grow your tree. And when you grow a tree, it will give you it will help you to get the corrupt mutation when the tranquil mutation comes to your garden. And as you can see guys, that the required fruit is tranquil daffodil, so I need to submit this fruit to the channeler, then I will be able to grow my tree, and the tree will help me to get the corrupt mutation. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.